morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kiana, and welcome back to another vlog. Today I am wanting to do a productive Sunday vlog. I feel like this is gonna help motivate me a bit because I honestly haven't been on top of my shit recently. Haven't been very healthy, haven't been working out, and it's kind of surprising because I had been very on top of my game and like just prioritizing fitness. I feel like being off my health game has just made me feel worse in life in general, and now I haven't been as productive and happy with myself. So kind of want to do this reset day and hope that I feel better after it, because when you get things done, it makes your day better. I'm about to go work out, feeling like working out today, so I'm excited about that feeling. Last weekend we decorated for Christmas. I'm gonna insert those clips right now. Nutcracker's kind of creepy. I thought this was cute. Napkin holder. He's cute.
Unless you want to push this back just a little bit.
It's not gonna make a difference. Hurry up.
No, there's really
What?
It's reading the feng shui.
The feng shui. We've got the kitchen drawer on the dining room floor. So that's feng shui.
Okay, you're in charge of that, Mom.
Put the nutcrackers. Mom cracks the nuts anyway. How come there's no music in here? You always have to have music when you're decorating a tree.
No one likes Christmas jazz except me and you.
I love Christmas jazz. Which one is that?
Stupid.
It was me. That's the same spot. You know, we can make a triangle.
That's a different color.
What do you mean? It's gold, gold, gold. That's still the gold, gold.
We decided to do our nutcracker. We decided to do the nutcracker lineup on the fireplace, but it's not that cute though. Mom set up the dining room. Looks amazing. We got this stuff last year from, I think, Home Goods. Mom already had these, but we got this table runner. It sparkles a bit, which is nice. We wanted something that was clean and simple. These trees light up, and they're also from Home Goods. They're really cute. We wanted to do like more of a winter wonderland theme, just keep it cleaner. We do have like a lot of hints of red in this house, but I feel like... Hey Oreo! And then these are kind of old, but we have these frosted wood candle holders. We have like a very rustic house just from all the furniture we got in the past, so kind of have to work with that and do like not too minimal modern. I ended up decorating my room a little bit. I have my little fake tree over here from Target. This little corner have a sparkly tree. This is from one of my exes from high school, but this was always such a pretty tree, so I'm like, I'm never gonna get rid of it. The last little Christmas decoration I have is this thing from TJ Maxx, a candle holder. It's so pretty. I recently got this Nest linen spray or room spray thinking that I would love the smell, but I actually don't, so I think I'm gonna return it. Yeah, that's basically what's going on here. I'm excited about the workout. We're actually gonna go hike up this hill first, or actually I don't even know what's gonna happen. We might not end up lifting because this hike might take a little long, but I'm really excited just to get some fresh air and be one with nature, because I feel like I'm inside way too much these days and it makes me sad. I don't know what else I wanted to do today. I wanted to show you guys this amazing notepad planner that I got from Amazon. This has kept me so much more accountable. I feel like just the past couple days I'm not really checking in with it because it was a holiday. I haven't been accomplishing much, but I've been using this for work stuff and for my own personal stuff. I don't have much on it right now, but just some like reminders. I want to invest in my Roth tomorrow morning, Monday morning. It's funny, I have TikToks on here, but photography is something that I'm trying to pick up again because I just truly love it. Like the creative process of editing is so fun. And I just want to challenge myself to like be more creative these days. These are just like random things I'm trying to do. I already did this last night actually. So, but things that I want to get done today, I have to go to Target, grab my birth control, get floss, all the essentials. I also was thinking about going to TJ Maxx just to check out the decor and stuff. Also probably gonna go to Trader Joe's with my mom and sister just so we could get some new groceries for the week. I want to say that just getting out in nature has really lifted my spirits already. I think I get trapped inside too much because I always feel like, oh, I have no reason to go outside. Then I just feel like unhappy because it's been getting so dark. I mean, it's dark so early, and then it makes me feel like the day's over.
You guys need some sort of lounge chair out there?
It'd be nice.
wash my comforter and my sheets today because why not? How do I do this right? Create content, idea list. Maybe I should just do an idea list of all my home products. I already have home and room decor, this section. I'm basically I'm just adding to my Amazon storefront because I'm gonna post a TikTok of some Amazon home favorites. I just checked my Amazon storefront and I thought no one had bought anything from it yet because I literally typically don't really use Amazon storefront, but surprisingly 3 people have bought stuff. So got a whopping $2.12. I'm gonna add to it and just see if I can maximize the potential here. I'm gonna add a disco ball. I love the disco ball. It's such a cute accessory. Everybody's been hopping on that trend, but I really love the light that it reflects. It just looks beautiful. I want to show you guys what I got from Bondi Boost or Bondi. I ordered some stuff because it was Black Friday. I don't typically go ham on Black Friday because it's honestly just like overconsumption. And that's a big problem with our generation and what we're kind of promoting on the internet. But I got a few things just because they were on sale, obviously. So, since my hair has been dry and unwell, I decided I would get some of the rapid repair set stuff. I got this set of 3 things. The conditioner, shampoo, and this serum. So I'm excited to try this out because my hair has just been so crusty. I don't know, maybe the girl who did my hair recently didn't pay attention enough to my hair health. It's very important when picking someone to do your hair, but it was good in the beginning, but now it's just getting really dry and hopefully this can revive it a bit. I've heard good things. And then I wanted to try a hair mask. I'm currently using the Verb hair mask and I used it a couple days in a row and I honestly saw a big difference because my hair looked really good yesterday. Overall, I think hair masks are going to be helpful regardless, but I'm excited to try this one because I've also heard great things about it. But I'm going to shower now and I figured why not just try out my products. I think the lighter pieces in the front, those are the ones that look like straw, but we'll see over time how the products work and whatnot, but I do like the scent of them. But anyways, I have dinner plans tonight with my friend Grant. We are meeting in Milpitas to get dinner, going to an Italian restaurant. It's called Giorgio's. So that's at 5:30. It is currently 3:05, so I have a little bit of time, but I still need to go to Target and pick some stuff up. Basically, the reason why I want to go to TJ Maxx is so I could check out their holiday decor and also just beauty stuff because they always have good finds there. And I think some people, I think it was a myth that their products are expired there, but honestly, I don't think their stuff is expired. That's where I got my Laneige lip balm and it's only 15 bucks there. I don't know, TJ Maxx runs are just kind of fun for no reason. Seriously, their makeup brush hairs all in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup. It's really simple. So I just got dressed. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a Skims bodysuit, some black Levi's, or like they're the faded black Levi's. I haven't really worn them much honestly because they kind of stretch out too much, but that's like any of the denim from Levi's. Kind of a random outfit. I actually haven't busted out this cardigan in maybe 7 years now, but one of my issues right now is not having any outerwear to wear that's casual because I have a leather jacket, but it's a bit intense for my errands and for dinner, I feel like. So we're just gonna rock the grandma cardigan, just call it a day. This color of bodysuit is so beautiful. If you saw my fall haul video, I showed this bodysuit. It is amazing. If you need any fall clothing inspiration, definitely check out that video. I'll have it linked in the description. But yeah, this bodysuit is literally so stretchy and soft and buttery. These are just like the regular 501 jeans. But anyways, I need to go ahead to Target, grab my birth control before the pharmacy closes. So pretty. I kind of like this wreath. It's so sparkly and pretty. I was watching a lot of DIY videos lately of people making their own wreaths, but these look very messy. But otherwise, I'm not really seeing much that I need, so I'm gonna go home. Ooh, I've been wanting one of these types of lights, like something to put on my nightstand, but this is all for like when I move out because my room doesn't need that much stuff in it. But I'm excited for when I do move out to my own apartment and I can decorate it the way that I want to. But I love this like industrial type of lamp.
Pollo a la cour.
Yeah, that. Just got back home, guys. Yo, I'm tired. I don't know what happened, but that hike must have like winded me because I just don't have much energy. I'm excited. I just got back into my cozy clothes. I'm gonna like clean up my room just a little bit. I have work tomorrow. My mom ended up doing the grocery shopping today, per usual. I'm really happy. I just have like a clean bed to hop into right now. I'm just gonna like take off my makeup, do my whole skincare. Not that I even have much to do. I'm gonna tidy up my room a little bit and also light some candles. I'm gonna light the candles now. I'm obsessed. And I need to tell you guys about my favorite candle of all time right now. If you know me, I'm a big fan of Nest candles, and this is the best scent ever for like holiday time. It's called Birchwood Pine. I got this mini votive one because Nordstrom Rack had it, but I didn't realize it was a small when I bought it because I thought, okay, 17 bucks for a Nest, that seems good. But then I realized it's just a tiny candle, but it smells amazing. I'm really glad that I got it. It's just the perfect winter scent. It's not winter yet, but it just smells like good vibes and Christmas. I got an electric lighter off of Amazon. Honestly, it's been a very good investment. Bippity boppity boo. Now that the candle's lit, I'm gonna go brush and floss and take off my makeup. I took off my makeup, I brushed my teeth, I flossed, put on my glasses, took out my contacts. I'm ready for bed. I had a great time hanging out with Grant. We spent like 3 hours catching up. It was great. Part of my typical Sunday routine is like reevaluating everything that I need to do for this week. So I'm gonna go hop on my laptop right now and kind of just check out my spreadsheet, my calendar. Also use that notepad that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, plan everything out. But that is pretty much this entire vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like these more casual vlogs, definitely give this video a thumbs up so I will know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.